Now we are having exercise 8.3, question number 1. Determine if the following are in proportion. So we have been given these four terms 40, 50, 100 and 125. So we can write them like that: 4:50 proportion, 100:125. Now let us check out whether they are in proportion or not. So we know that product of extreme is equal to product of means. Therefore 40 into 125 will be equal to 50 into 100. So 5000 is equal to 5000. So we have got equal values, therefore they are in proportion. Okay. Next we are having B part. So 4:8 proportion, 16:32. We have been given centimeter and rupees in proportion. So let us see if they are equal or not. So product of extreme should be equal to product of mean. So what we are having, 4 into 32 equal to 16 into 8. So we have got equal values both the sides. So we can say they are in proportion. Then we are having C part. So 2 kilogram is to 500 gram proportion, 400 grams to 1600 grams. So 2 kilogram is equal to 2000 grams. So we can write it as 2000 is to 500 proportion, 400 is to 1600. Now let us see if they are in proportion or not. So product of extreme should be equal to product of mean. So we can say 2000 into 1600 is equal to 5000 into 500 into 400. Okay. So we have got different values on both the sides. So values are not equal. So we can say that they are not in proportion. Okay. Then we are having D part. Here 5 liter is to 9 liter. Proportion 32 liters to 56 liters. So what we have got, product of extreme is equal to product of mean. So 5 into 56 will be equal to 9 into 32. So let us multiply them. So we have got 280 equal to 288. So the values are not equal, so they are not in proportion. Okay. So the product is not equal. 280 is not equal to 288. So we can say that they are not in proportion. Okay. Then we are having question number 2. So A is to 85, proportion 57 is to 95. We have to find the value of E. So as they are in proportion, so product of extreme will be equal to product of mean. So we can say 95A is equal to 85 into 57. Okay, extreme terms are 95 and A. And 85 and 57 are mean terms. So A will equal to 95 by transposition, will divide the terms and we will get the value 51 as answer. Okay. Then we are having B part. A is to 6, proportion 55 is to 11. So we have to find the value of A. As they are in proportion, so product of extreme will be equal to product of mean. So extreme terms are 11 and A, 11 into A, and mean terms 6 into 55, 6 and 55. Okay. Now A will be equal to, by transposition 11 will divide the term 6 into 55. So we get the value 30 as our answer. Okay, the value of A is 30. Then we are having C part. Here again the terms are in proportion. We need to find the value of A. So product of extreme is equal to product of mean again. So extreme terms are 7 and 24 and mean terms 12 and E. So A will be equal to 7 into 24 divided by 12. Now solve it out and we will get value of A is equal to 14 as our answer. Okay. Then we are having D part. Again we need to find the value of A for the proportion values. So product of extreme is equal to product of mean. So first and fourth term, extreme terms, multiply them, 30 and A, and mean terms 14 to 45. Now A will be equal to 14 to 45 divided by 30. By solving the above equation, we will get value of A is equal to 60 answer. Okay. Then we are having question number 3. If the numbers x, y, z and w are in proportion, then which of the following is true? So here we have been given A, B, C and D parts, and we have to find which of them is true. So we have been told that they are in proportion. So proportion means product of extreme is equal to product of mean. So extreme terms are x and w and mean terms are y, z. So xw is equal to yz. So here we can write them x is to y, proportion z is to w. So product of extreme equal to product of mean. So we have got xw equal to yz, and that is true. So our C part will be true. Okay. Then we are having question number 4. If the numbers 18, 6 and A are in the continued proportion, find the value of A. So here what we need to do is, as the values are in continued proportion and we have to find the value of A. So 18, 6 and A are in continued proportion. So we can write them as 8 is to 6, proportion 6 is to A. As they are in continued proportion, so the second number will be used twice. Okay. Now product of extreme is equal to product of mean. So 18 A is equal to 6 into 6. So A will be equal to 36 upon 18, that is A equal to 2 answer. Okay, so the value of A will be 2.